the cons of yoga.
And my matrix number is 11TK20F1029. Today I would like to present about consequence of yoga. There are some disadvantages of yoga, so there are some points I would like to share and present to you. And the first point is yoga is can be expensive exercise, such as if you are on budget means you might find that some big chains like gyms offer free yoga classes with a relatively cheap monthly membership. And the second point is injury risk. Yoga is relatively low risk form of exercise, but with all kinds of exercise and activities there is always still a slight risk of injury. If you are thinking of starting up yoga for the pros of helping chronic pain or correcting posture as somebody with an existing problem or injury, you should always have a chat with your doctor or physiotherapist before taking up this kind or any kind of exercise. And the third point will be going to class can be scary. One of the disadvantages of yoga is that going to a yoga class for the first time can be pretty daunting. If you feel little enthusiastic about starting yoga, then you are not alone. Nobody likes to be new person. In fact, we did go as far as to say that going to a class in the first place will be the hardest part of your first yoga classes or experience. Once you get comfortable with the class, we are confident that you will forget all about the small consequence. Yoga will be absolutely love the experience. Conclusion, and that was the consequence of yoga, and this is my conclusion. Yoga practices and values need to be introduced early children and youth. Health and happiness can be attained from yoga. Yogic qualities are to be imbibed with joy and not learned with fear of compulsions. Parents and teachers must reiterate the importance of yoga by example. Our duty is to make them aware and conscious of this wonderful concept of daily living. Thank you everyone for lending me your ears, and this is my presentation. Thank you.